Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Solar ignition is one of my favorite ways to make fire. The last time I showed you this, I was using a big glass beer bottle. Maybe y'all couldn't relate to that, but I know you can relate to a smart water bottle. It has the perfect shape, those shoulders. So photons will come down through this round through about 4 or 5 inches of water, come out this round into a very tight focal point. Let's go ahead and get some of the punkwood off of this, process it up, get leaves straight off the ground. It's very important to me for you to know that I am using leaves straight off the ground, not pre-dried tinder at all. And then we'll go ahead and put the punkwood in the leaves and ignite it right up under here. Any species of tree can make punkwood. It's when the dry rot fungus gets it and works on it. Makes it very lightweight, very spongy. Just squeeze in on it and it springs right back out. Let's give it a try. And there's our tinder bundle with the processed punkwood down in the middle. All right, that piece went out. I did not get it in contact with the punkwood in the tinder bundle quick enough. So let's just do it again. Find it on your finger first. Right there. It started smoking quickly. Let's burn it in real well, because I ignited it from the back side, the bark side, which is a little bit darker than the inside, so I want to make sure it burns through to the really soft punkwood on the opposite side. Let's see if we can make it happen this time. It transferred this time. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.